How to change iPhone calendar color. Changing the color of your calendar can make it easier to distinguish between different types of event. Firstly, tap on the calendar as shown in the video. Now tap on calendar, which is right in the middle of your screen. Here, tap on the eye icon, and after you're done tapping, you can see there's an option called color. Tap on color and choose the color that you want to change. As you can see, I have chosen purple color. If my family shares something, the events will occur in purple color. The simple customization can help you stay on top of your busy schedule and make it visually appealing. If you found my video helpful, please make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.